Hello students, Sai Ram. Let us continue with the same chapter number 3, data handling. And today we are going to learn about other two forms of representative values, that is mode and median. Now mode, what is mode? Mode is the maximum occurring observation. That is the observation which occurs most often. Let's take an example. Runs scored by Virat Kohli are 120, 24, 48, 64, 29, 64, 71, 3, 64 and 29. And you have to find out the mode of this observations. So let us see how to do it. First, all the scores we are going to write in ascending order, in increasing order. 3, 24, 29, 29, 48, 64, 64, 64, 71 and 120. Now here in this observations you can see here 64 is repeated 3 times. It's written 3 times. So 64 occurs 3 times. So mode is equal to 64. Now mode of large numbers. How to find out mode of large numbers? We know that mode is maximum occurring observation. Let's take an example where there are lot of, you can see here there are a lot of numbers and you have to find the mode of the following data. So in this case we cannot write all the numbers in increasing order. So if we write in increasing order, definitely we are going to miss one or the other 2-3 numbers we are going to miss in between. So what we feel, we will put it in the form of frequency distribution table. And this is frequency distribution table which you have learned in the previous presentation. So this all are the marks and here the numbers are written in increasing order. You can see here 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. These are the numbers, marks. And then frequency. Here we will see how many times these numbers are repeated here. Now let us take this number 12. 12 is repeated 1, 2, you can see here 3 times. Here other places you see 12 is not there. So here 3 is written. So frequency of this number 12 is 3. So tally mark also we will give 3 vertical lines. Same way we will find out for 13 also. 13 we will see in the first line. Here 113 is there. Then in the second line also here I can see one more 13. And then here in the third line 2 times 13 has come. So 4. Totally 4 are there. So here tally marks also will be 4. So this way we will find out for 14 also. Here in the first line you can see a 14 is written here 2 times. And then in the second line 14 is not there. 14 is not there. Then in the third line you can see 14 is here 1, 2 and then here can you see any other 14? In the first line we have seen 14 3 times. So total it is 5. So we will write tally marks like this. 4 vertical line and 1 slanting line. So this way we are going to complete this frequency distribution table. And then after we write this table we will see which number is repeated more number of times. So here we can see 15 is repeated 10 times. So the mode of this all numbers observations will be 15. This is the way you have to find out the mode of large numbers. Now next is median. Median is the middlemost value. In a given data, whether it is arranged in ascending order or in descending order, always median will be the middle observation. It will be the middlemost observation. So let's take an example to understand this. Runs scored by Virat Kohli are 120, 24, 48, 64, 29, 64, 71, 3, 64, 29. And you have to find out median of this observation. So what we will do? First we will arrange the numbers in ascending order. So here you can see the numbers are arranged in ascending order 3, 24, 29, 29, 48, 64, 64, 64, 3 times 64, then 71 and 120. Now here the number of observations is equal to 10. If you count all the observation you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 observations are there. Since the number of observation is even, 10 is an even number. So how to find out median? You have to use this formula 10 upon 2. 2th observation plus 10 upon 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. So 10 upon 2th observation is 10 upon 2 is 5, 5th observation, and 10 upon 2 plus 1 is 5 plus 1, 6th observation. So this 2 observation, 5th observation plus 6th observation, we will divide it by 2. Now let us see which is the 5th observation. Here we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will see here because we have arranged this in increasing order. So 5th one is 48. And 6th one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 64. 48 plus 64 upon 2. 48 plus 64 is 112 upon 2, and when you divide 112 upon 2 by 2, you will get 56. If you arrange these all numbers in decreasing order also, you will get the same median. If you arrange it in decreasing order, let us see which is the 5th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th observation is 64, and then 6th observation is 48. So 64 plus 48 is also 112, and 112 divided by 2 is 56. Now next example, marks scored by Satvik in his test are 48, 91, 83, 83, 95. So you have to find median for this. First we arrange the numbers in ascending order. So here it is arranged in ascending order: 48, 83, 83, 91, 95. So here it is very easy to find out. Here you can see this is the middle observation. So median is 83. We can also find out the median by formula. We can also use the formula. So the number of observation here is 5 is equal to 5. So since the number of observation is odd, in the previous case it was even, here it is odd because 5 is an odd number. So median will be equal to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. So n plus 1 means 5, n is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 upon 2 is 3. So third observation will be the median. So let us see which is the third observation. 83 is the 1, 2, 3. 83 is the third observation. So median is equal to 83. So by using formula also we can find out the median. Now here you can see median of any number of observation we can find out by using this formula. If n is odd, means if number of observation is odd, then median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th observation. And if it is even, if number of observation is even, then median is equal to n upon 2 plus n upon 2 plus 1th observation upon 2. So this way we can find out median of observations. Now let us do some question of exercise 3.2. This is question number 1. The scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. So these are the scores given in maths test, and you have to find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? This also we have to find out, that are these two same or not. So let us find out. This is the data given. Now what we will do, we are going to arrange this data in increasing order. So it is arranged here. You can see a 5, 9, 10, 12, 15, 16, 19, 20, 20, 20, 20, 4 times 20 is written, and then 23, 24, 25, and then 25. And here you can see 20 occurs how many times? 4 times. So it is occurring here 4 times, which is the highest. So mode is also equal to 20. Mode will be equal to 20. Now we have to find out median. So we have to find out how many observations are there. As these all are the marks of 15 students, so n number of observation is also equal to 15. And 15 is odd number. So median is equal to, for that we will use the formula n plus 1 upon 2 term observation. So n plus 1 is 15 plus 1 upon 2, and 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 upon 2 is 8. So 8 term, let us count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 term is 20. So median is equal to 20, and mode also we got 20. So therefore mode and median are same. Now let us go to question number 2 of the same exercise 3.2. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. So these all are the runs scored by 11 players, and you have to find the mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? That also we will find out. So first let us find out mean. So to find out mean, we have learned in the previous presentation, the formula for mean is sum of all the numbers upon number of terms or number of observations. Sum of all the observations upon number of observations. So observations here, we are going to add this all our observations. We are going to add all this number. 6 plus 15 plus 120 plus 50 plus 100 plus 80 plus 10 plus 15 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15. So these all numbers we are going to add first. So vertically you are going to arrange and you are going to add it. So on addition you will get 429, and total number of observations are 11. So 429 divided by 11. So when you reduce this, when you divide this by 11, you will get the answer. This is the answer. Then arranging the given, now we have to find out, after finding out the mean, now we have to find out mode. So to find out the mode, always remember we have to arrange the data in increasing order. So let us write in increasing order: 6, 8, 10, 10, 15, 15, 15, 50, 80, 100, 120. Now here you can see 15 occurs 3 times. 10 here has occurred 2 times, but 15 has occurred 3 times, which is the highest. Therefore, mode is equal to 15. Now we will find out median. Now as we know, there are 11 observations, 11 players were there. If you want, you can count and see, it will be 11. So n is equal to 11, which is odd. So median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2 term. So n is 11, 11 plus 2, 11 plus 1 is 12, 12 upon 2 is 6. So let us see which is the 6th term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6th term is 15. So we can say median is equal to 15. So here we got mean 39, mode 15 and median 15. No, they are not same because mean is different. Only mode and median are same. Now let us go to question number 3. The weights in kg of 15 students of a class are given. So these all are the weight in kg of 15 students, and you have to find the mode and median of this data. Is there more than one mode? So let us find out whether we get more than one mode or not. Now here, this is the data given in the question. It is written, and then we are going to arrange it in increasing order. First you will write down the data what is given in the question, and then you will arrange in increasing order, and then you will count whether you have written all the numbers or not. You have to count the number of observation. Sometimes you may miss out any some of the numbers. So be very careful while writing the numbers. So first here 32, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 38, 40, 42, then here 43, 43, 43, then 45, 47 and then 50. And then you will count and see whether you have written all the numbers or not. Now here you can see 38 is repeated 3 times, it occurs 3 times. Same way 43 also occur 3 times. So these are the highest. Here highest, like more number of times it is repeated. So thus mode is equal to 38 and 43. Here we have got 2 mode, 38 and 43. Now we will find out median. As the number of observation is equal to 15, which is odd, so median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2th term. And n is 15, 15 plus 1 is 16, 16 upon 2 is 8th term, and 8th term is 40. You can see here 8th term is 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th term. 8th term is 40. So median is equal to 40. Yes, the given data has 2 modes. You can see here there are 2 modes, 38 and 43. Now next question, question number 4. Find the mode and median of the data. So this is the data given. Again, as we have to find out mode, so we will arrange it in increasing order. 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 14, 16, 19. Now here you can see 14 occur 3 times, which is highest. Thus mode is equal to 14. Now n is equal to 9. You can see there are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 observations are there. Total 9 observations are there. So it is odd. So median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2. 2th term. So n plus 1 is 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 upon 2 is 5. 5th term. So 5th term, let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th term is 14. So median is 14. So here you can see mode is also equal to 14 and median is also equal to 14. Now this is your homework for today. What we have learned today, you have learned about median. So you have to find out median of the data given. And then question number 2, this is from the same exercise 3.2. Tell whether the statement is true or false. The mode is always one of the numbers in a data. The mean is one of the numbers in a data. The median is always one of the numbers in a data. The data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 39 has mean 9. So you have to find out whether you get mean 9 or not. And if you don't get, you will write false. Thank you.